Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this pink e-girl look along with this bunny outfit. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this pink e-girl type of look, and I'll be going in with this pink hair from my James Charles palette. It's the same pink I use in my eyebrows, eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna just spread that pink all around. You'll see what I spread it. Okay, so time for liner, and I'll pop it up on the screen of the liner that I will be doing. So yeah, you can follow along with me on how I draw this liner. So, I'm drawing normal wing first.
Can make you feel the how if I wanted to. Just something you never felt, and you know it's true. It's true. Can make you feel the how if I wanted to. Just something you never felt, and you know it's true. It's true. can make you feel it how if I wanted to. Just so you never felt and you know it's true. It's true. Can make you feel it how if I wanted to. Just so you never felt and you know it's true. It's true. I can make you feel it how if I wanted to. Just so you never felt and you know it's true. It's true.
I don't believe in ghosts or letting people close. I'm good at letting go. You kiss my lips until they cold. You think you're in control, but I should let you know.
Can make you feel it how if I wanted to.
And I'm just using a black eyeliner on my lips.
It's true. Can make you feel it how if I wanted to.
Okay, so I'm gonna put on my bunny costume and then end the video. So I'll be back. Okay guys, to show you the final look. Okay guys, so if all you hear any noise in the background, it's the rain. But this is the final look. And I put on my bunny ears and my bunny costume. I get this costume from Shein. I will link it in the description box if you guys want it. And yeah, I'll show you guys my makeup, and then I'll show you a clip of my full body costume.
I don't believe in ghosts or letting people close. I'm good at letting go. You kiss my lips until they cold. You think you're in control, but I should let you know.
Can make you feel it how if I wanted to. Just so you never felt and you know it's true. It's true. Can make you feel it how if I wanted to.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.